We are all familiar with the traditional recommendation to drink 8 glasses of water per day. The reason why the recommendation is just plain water is because some drinks, such as coffee, tea, and soft drinks, basically beverages that are caffeinated, can actually make you pee more and hence make you even more dehydrated. But a colleague of mine who is a urologist is a doctor who specializes on the urinary system, recommends a better alternative to hydration, which he calls urine color guided hydration, or UCGH. It sounds fancy, but I'm pretty sure the concept is actually already familiar to us. Because what urine color guided hydration, or UCGH, simply means is that we should adjust our water intake based on the color of our urine. If our urine is clear and transparent, this means that we just have to maintain our current water intake. However, if our urine is colored light yellow, yellow, or even darker, it means that we need to step up and drink more and more water. So this kind of hydration is not based on counting glasses, but on responding to the color of our urine. Sounds simple enough, but as my urologist friend puts it, 8 glasses of water is actually already more than enough for some people, but it's inadequate for others.